Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Calorie Counter Planner DietAi. So basically this app offer you how to control your health and how to maintain your food habit and everything by AI. So after installing this app, simply tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account. I'm just going to tap on the continue. So you can get here like your age, you can do everything, weight loss, you can see continue. I'll just tap on the continue to get all the things. You can change it later. So what's your name? So you can type here. I'm just going to tap my name is here and finished. So I didn't do all the things, but you can do it. Even did, so you can see, so all the things happened. So you can see, so you can read all the things here. I'm just going to tap continue, and start a 3 days free trial, so it's not free, no payment now, cancel anytime, so you can start. Okay, I'm just going to see the free option, like a try free. You can see nutrition overview, like protein, fat, carbohydrate, so control consume, so it's a premium. This is a tracker and diet. You can see this on diet, like breakfast, you can read all the things, the dinner, snacks, dietitians. So you can ask them the question, like if you have question about your health, you can ask them here. And logging also, you can log exercise, water, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. And you can see here the date, remaining calorie, target, you can see daily total. So diet, you can read, and it's your account, like you can how to weight your loss your weight, they give you using AI. And you can connect, and you can see the infographic statistics. So it's really good app, you can use, like logging food. So there is no food here. And diet, AI replace, if you want to replace AI, but it's not possible in free version. You just see, but if you want to see all the things, then you have to buy the premium package. Simply try free, then you can start free trial for 3 days, but you have to add your debit or credit card, and 80% discount is huge. And you can also upload your photos, you can upload your camera, you can send the question. So you can also delete your account.